Hello everyone, happy new year to everyone, and thank you, for beginning with us, and thank you for coming with us into this year. And I want to congratulate all of us for seeing this year. It's not something very easy, it's something very rare. Not everyone makes it, understand? And we are here, we made it. Thank you for staying with us. From us, this is UAE. We're saying a very big thank you and a very happy new year and wonderful one, at that. So, we want to bring a new topic to you. This is our first topic for the year, and it's titled "How and What to Do if you want to come to UAE." So you're going to tell you things to do before coming to UAE, because those things it seem very simple, but those things are the things that can send you back, that can make you lose money. So I advise everybody to to listen. If you have a brother or a sister that wants to come to UAE, I would like you to share this video so that they too get the information. Because once you are informed, you know what to do and how to take decisions. So this page is all about informing people about what to do if you want to come to UAE, how to go about it, and what to expect. Because there's a lot of wrong things going on online, and people trying to dupe people. So we created this page to help people the right information, so that if you're coming to UAE, you already know what you're coming for and what you're coming to do. Like I said before, UAE is for people that are very organized. You need to organize yourself in order to to get something out of this town. If you're not organized, my brother, forget it. So like I said, please share this video. Always share our videos, because it will help a lot of people. You might never know. It's not only giving someone money. Sometimes you give people information. It's very better. It's very good that way. They now use that information to save a lot of money and a lot of time. So please keep sharing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is UAE. Understand? Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, and we promise to create very wonderful and educative content for you, always, like we're always doing. So like today, okay, let's go back to the business of the day. The business of the day is what to do if you want to come to Dubai. Things to do. These things are very common. They are very common. People even ignore them. People think it's not necessary, go around it when the time comes. But these are things that make you spend a lot of money. I've seen people spend up to $4,000 to $5,000 to come to UAE, and because of just a single malaria. To us Africans, we think malaria is is something common, but here it's not. They don't want it to come here. Just because I've seen a friend that was sent home just because of malaria. I've seen a friend that was sent home just because of tuberculosis, hepatitis A and B, HIV, that one everyone knows. So many things, and so many diseases, even infection. If you have an infection, it might be sent back. So, we need to understand. So, our first point is you need to know the country you're going to. You need to know about UAE. You need to know about UAE. You need to go online, search. What are your interests? Search those interests online. Things you need to know about a place you want to go. It's very important. It gives you an edge. So that you will not be scammed. Because the reason why these scammers are gaining over hand is because people don't want to search. People don't want to work. They don't want to do anything. They just want, okay, hey, can you get me a job? He will promise you that he will get you a security job for $3,000, $1,000. Because I'm using dollars because anywhere you're listening from, so that you understand what I'm saying. Some promise you they will give you a job that will pay you $1,000. Some promise you they will get you a job that will pay you $500, $700. because we don't search the internet, because we don't do research on our own, we fall for those things. They will tell you all sort of, sweet things just to get your money from you. And most of these agents don't work. They depend on you. So whenever you contact them, they'll tell you everything. They are so desperate for that money. They'll tell you everything to convince you. So please, let's work. If you want to get work, let's go online. Search work online. Search the country, the economy, the living standard, the life of UAE. How to live in UAE. There are so many articles online. There are so many content on YouTube. You can search them and be informed. Let us work. Let us learn to work our way through some things. Not everything we want easy access to. It costs us. It's always costing us money and time. So my friends, please, if you want to know about, if you want to come here, first of all, check online things about UAE. There are so many groups to join. I am on Nairaland. I don't know, nairaland.com. Just type in nairaland.com. There's so many information to get from those places. You can follow me on my page. You can, ask me questions anytime you want. Please, it breaks my heart when people fall victim of scam or fraud. They defrauded someone of, wow, how much is it? Is it up to $500? What am I saying? $5,000. I'm saying 500. They collected $5,000 from someone to give him tourist visa that is not even up to almost 10% of that money. That's what they collected $5,000 to give someone a tourist visa and promised him that when he comes here, the job is already here waiting for him. But those things are things we'll talk later. Like I said, this topic is very broad. So we'll share some today, and now in our next video we'll discuss the rest. But I would like you to share this video. Keep sharing, please. Thank you very much. So number one is, like I've said, Google, search, do research on your own about this country, about jobs, about living standards, about the economy. That's what I did. I did it when I come, and it helped me a lot. There was so much expectation. When an agent was telling me so much things, I was like laughing, because I've known what the results are, and all I wanted was my employment letter, and he got it for me, and I came here. I wasn't surprised at what I'm seeing. I worked, and here I am. So I would like you to go through that means too. So one is, after you've searched and you want to come here, then you get yourself a passport. If you don't have, if you already have, fine, it's okay. Then the next thing is you examine yourself. This part is very important. People neglect it, but this is the only part that can make you lose money. Because once you come and they find anything wrong with you, malaria, typhoid, they can allow you, they can treat you. But malaria, what is it called? Tuberculosis, hepatitis A and B, what's the HIV? Those things, once you have found positive with them, they are sending you back. So my brothers and sisters, please, let's do a proper checkup. And if you have an accident before, you have had a broken rib before, I think you should just be at alert, because they might. My friend at our labor camp was deported because of that. He came and he went for tests, went for checkup, and they discovered that he had a broken rib. He once had an accident before, so they said he can't work here, he can't live in UAE, and they sent him back. The company sent him back. So I don't know. It depends. Sometimes it depends on the company's policy. So, but you should be prepared. Treat yourself. If you find any infection at all, any disease at all, please treat yourself before coming to this place, so that you save money. At least if you're coming, once you get a job, you know that you're fit. They'll test you and they'll give you your Emirates ID, and you're free. You do whatever you want to do. You go to work and come back, go wherever you want to go. So that's the basic thing. People ignore these things a lot, and it costs them money and time, because you waste time and money coming here, plus the visa, the period and everything, and you come after you've paid for agency, you've paid for the work visa fee and everything, you paid for the work, maybe you paid like up to $2,000 or $3,000 to get your job, and you come, they reject you on the basis of health. which you could have easily treated in your country. It doesn't make sense. Please, let's take this serious. And another thing is, you apply for your visa. This is another important part, a tricky one at that. When applying for your visa, what do you want? Is it, for people coming for tourists, you don't have any problem. Even health-wise, you can come, go, understand, no problem. But if you are staying to work, that's where the health issue comes in, because you will be tested. If you are found positive, you will be sent home. If you are found negative, you will be allowed to stay. But before you get your visa, my brother, look very well. You can, contact us to help you with the visa process. We do visa for people. We do visa change. We do tourist visa. We do employment visa. So contact us for anyone. We can help you. But if you have an agent you trust very well that can help you deliver, then contact the person. Let that person give you, the visa. If UAE visa doesn't last, highest 3 days to 5 days, working days. So it doesn't take that long. So that's why you need to get yourself ready medically before applying for visa, because it comes out. UAE hardly denies people visa anyway, so it comes out. So when it comes out, you get your visa, and when you get your visa, you book your flight as usual, the normal thing, and you start coming. You get your things, maybe your food. If you're a lover of food, you buy your foodstuffs enough, because here foodstuffs are very expensive, very, very expensive. So you get those things ready. If you want to buy clothes, you can get cheap clothes here, at least for a start, to spend money, because you've not known how the thing will be. So you need to have enough money at hand. Understand? This is the important side. Have enough money at hand, because sometimes the way these agents sound, when you come, if you don't have enough money, it will be very hard for you. Some people, they need to send money from them to them from Nigeria or from their home country. Understand? So please, after applying for your visa, you get your foodstuff ready, your bags and everything. Please have enough money. That's very important for any contingencies, for any, like we said, in case of incasity, for any, thing that comes up. Please have an extra money. Because if you don't have an extra money, this time nobody sends you, nobody looks at your face. If you don't have money to pay for your house rent, they kick you out. If you don't have money to pay for your bills, they kick you out. So please have enough money to sustain you, understand, for anything that you face. So these are the things you need to know before coming to UAE. And in our next video, we'll be talking about, the options available. If you want to work, if you want to have a residence visa, if you want to, travel to another country from here, the options of, having you living in UAE. If you want to just come for a tourist, if you want to come and live and work, if you want to from here go to another country, those are the options. We'll discuss that in our next video. So please, guys, please keep sharing these videos. It's not much. This is where we'll stop for today. Understand? Let me, before we go, I would like to quickly recap what you said. You said that what to do and how to do it how to do things before coming to UAE, what to do exactly before coming to UAE. And that's number one is, do research on the country you want to come, that's UAE. Number two is get your passport. Number three, and the most important one is get your health status. Know your health status, where your health status stands. What are you free from? What do you have? Treat yourself very well, thoroughly, because you'll be treated with the world-class, advanced technology, medical, technological stuff. So you need to treat yourself, know your health status. Another one is, apply for a visa through an agent. This place you need to be careful. As if you're coming for employment, if you're coming for tourists, you need to be careful, because there are so many agents that are ready to just take your money and vanish. So even take your money and they give you nothing. So like I always say this, because anytime I remember, it breaks my heart. Someone paid 5,000. In the end, they gave him only tourist visa and told him when he comes here, they will get him a job. When he come here, he didn't see anybody. So you need to be careful. Be sure of who you are dealing with. You can contact us for your, for your employment visa, for your tourist visa, for your change of visa. If things doesn't work out, you can still change visa and still stay legal. So, and what again do you then? You get your things still ready. If you're a lover of food, get enough food stuff. Then get your clothes. You can, leave the clothes inside. When you come here, there are a lot of markets, cheap markets. You can buy quality clothes from. Understand? Shoes everywhere. It's everywhere. It's very cheap. So those ones you can, whenever you come here, you can do those ones. Then, and you come with a lot of money. Come with enough money. At least you can never tell. Getting job is not, unless you are coming with an employment visa direct. And you don't need a lot of money. All you just need maybe $200, just for the upkeep before you are being paid. Before they pay you, the company that employed you pay you for your first month. So just start your money for upkeep. But if you are coming, with a tourist visa, you need to hold enough cash. Understand, guys? So this is where we need to, stop for today. The next video will be all about, the options that UAE, could create. If you're legally living in UAE, the options we have, and you can from here travel, you can go on tours, you can, you can have a business here. The options, that's what we're gonna talk about in our next video. So alright guys, thank you for watching, thank you for listening, please, and thank you for sharing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is UAE. Thank you very much for your love. And once again, Happy New Year. This year is going to be wonderful for us. And I wish you the best of it. Bye-bye.